Hello everyone, I'm Fadla Rohimatul Kisfina Anshori. I'm from class C and my number MPM is 242122111083. So in this video, I will present about production sound. Why I chose this topic? Because I interest about this topic and I feel I need to more explore about production sound. What is production sound? Production sound in human is the process by which human produce sound through the breathing, vocal cords, resonance, and articulation. The way of pronunciation or how the sound is produced can influence the meaning and characteristic of the regional accent of origin. Sounds can be categorized into various groups depending the criteria we ask, that is, the production of consonant, the production of vowels, the production of diphthongs. What are production of consonant? Production of consonant is sound produced by certain abstraction in the mouth. For example, and what about production of vowels? Production of vowels is sound are not abstraction by any parts of the mouth, or it is without abstraction. For example, e, u. And what are production of diphthongs? Diphthong is gliding vowels created when a speaker glides for one vowel sound glides into another. For example, a, I. If we look at sound from the passage through which the air stream from the lungs goes out, we can categorize them into two groups, that is oral and nasal. Oral sound is produced through mouth, and nasal sound is produced with the air stream going out through the nose. For example, So guys, thank you for your attention and see you next time.